Okay, as promised, here is the put together album kit I showed you in the last video. It took me about 3 hours to cut apart, piece together, and it's a pretty nice neutral kit. It's good for any level of scrapbooking that you're at. If you're just starting, it's like super easy. The backs of the pages actually tell you what layout number they are, and they correspond with the embellishments and the stickers. Everything is marked with the layout number, so it's really easy to put together. And I can either put photos on the way they've got or add more. Like, it's pretty flexible. I think it's a pretty easy to work with kit. And because it's in the pocket pages, I seem to be missing one, or I put it in backwards maybe. That's probably what happened. Yeah, there's the base. So yeah, as you can see, it says the layout number and which side it is for the 2-page spread. This one says end page base paper. The front one says front. The only thing I have to say about how it's labeled is it tells you to start with the front and back pages, but the embellishments weren't in the first pocket that you empty. They were in the last one, so I just set them aside and did them then at the end. So because they're in pocket pages, I can either put the album together the way it is, or I can take them out and just use them as I go and stick them down to other pages. So I'm not restricted to having them in here for sure. And it makes a fairly thin album. I would double it personally to put more pages in. And then afterwards you're left with a guide. So you could probably easily replicate the layouts with other papers and borders and stickers and whatnot that you have. So it's a good kit. I would recommend trying them out.